This is my brother, Bear. I've seen him referred to online as the Mysterious Bear, so that's a thing, I guess. Bear's a cool guy, and he has friends all over the world. Back in March of 2023, he made plans to visit with some friends in Liverpool, England, so he got on a plane and landed at Manchester Airport. Manchester Airport is perhaps most famous for not being in Liverpool, so it sounds like it's time for a train trip in the country where train trips began. Now there are a few ways to get from Manchester Airport to Liverpool Lime Street Station, but for this trip, Bear decided to take the TransPennine Express train to Manchester Piccadilly, meet up with his friend there, and then together take a train via Warrington Central to Liverpool. This ticket cost about £13 altogether. So the first train we're riding today is operated by TransPennine Express, an operator who runs intercity services in the north of England and into Scotland. The train we're on specifically is branded as the Nova 2, a train that entered service in 2019. It's headed to Glasgow. I'd love to visit Glasgow someday, but today we're headed to Liverpool, as you already know. The seats on this Nova 2 train set come equipped with power outlets underneath the seats. In a bay of 4, there's a sturdy table in the middle as well. The journey up to Manchester Piccadilly station is non-stop, taking about 20 minutes. Manchester Piccadilly is the main railway station in Manchester. TransPennine Express has been in the news a lot in recent months, and a lot of the publicity has been due to these trains sitting in the yard over there, the Nova 3. Nova 3 trains were made up of a Class 68 diesel locomotive paired with Mark 5A coaches. Despite being only a few years old, their entry into service has been so unsatisfactory and unreliable that TransPennine Express decided to permanently pull the entire fleet out of service, effective December 2023. I've made a video going into more detail, which you can watch by clicking the link above. As we approach Manchester Piccadilly Station, we race a Pendolino tilting train set operated by Avanti West Coast. Bear actually rode on one of these while he was in the UK, and that video will be released in just a few weeks, so subscribe to Trains Are Awesome so you don't miss it. For second part joining me, we have Jack.
With Coke Zero.
And Coke Zero.
Yep.
Now Bear and Jack have gotten on an East Midlands Railway Class 158 headed to Liverpool, but that did not go quite as planned.
So what just happened, Jack?
We got kicked off the train.
And we had a ticket. Well, that's a story for another day, but we're going to go out and explore Warrington for
Warrington Central.
Oh yeah, it's kind
In
of
it.
cute. It's kind of cute.
So here's what happened. Bear and Jack had bought a ticket to go from Manchester to Liverpool, but the ticket they bought was not for the train they were on. So the conductor came to check their tickets, he took a look at it, and told them they had to get off the train. So they had to wait at Warrington until the next train came to take them to Liverpool. After waiting for the next train, the pair made their way onto a Northern Class 156 for the rest of the journey to Liverpool. The conductor was kind enough to let them onto that train, even though that was also not the train on their ticket. The silver lining here is a chance to try out another train operating company. Well, actually, I think I'll leave it up to my viewers in the UK to decide whether or not riding Northern counts as a silver lining. The journey from Warrington Central to Liverpool Lime Street took about 27 minutes. Despite Bear being the one jet lagged, it looks like Jack's about to doze off. Liverpool Lime Street is the main national railway station in the city of Liverpool. Liverpool itself is a large harbour city with a population of 486,000. Historically, some people from Liverpool have been more famous than others, but Liverpool will be the starting point for the next two videos in our Bear Goes British mini-series. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to Trains Are Awesome. We have loads more content lined up from all over the world. Thanks for watching today. We'll see you next time.